Grouping objects in ActivInspire is a handy way to design your flip charts, as well as apply actions and tools on more than one object at the same time. Here are two ways to group objects. The first way is to use the Select tool to drag over the objects you wish to group. Once you've selected that area, you'll use the grouped icon on the marquee handles. It's the fifth one from the left, and it looks like two little green squares. That icon then turns yellow, letting me know the objects are grouped. Now I can move them all at once. Just as easily, I can click that grouped icon again to ungroup them. Another way to group objects is to use the Control key if using Windows, or the Command key if using a Mac. Here I have some text, and I'd like to group it with this image of a dime. I select the first object, then before selecting the next object I want to group it with, I hold down either the Control key for Windows or the Command key for Mac. Now I select the next object. You'll notice they are now both selected, and I use that same grouped icon to apply grouping.